Hey, my beautiful YouTube family. Before we dive into today's skin brightening mask, I just had to share some happy news with my YouTube family. I have some amazing news to share. My channel is officially monetized, and honestly, it's all because of you. Every every comment, every share, your love and support made this possible. I just want to say a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart. You all are not just viewers. You're a part of this journey, this dream, and this growing community. Your support is my biggest motivation, and your encouragement keeps me going. This is only the beginning. Let's keep growing, glowing, and achieving together. Stick with me for more amazing content. And once again, thank you for being here. Hey, Glow fam, are you tired of dull, tired-looking skin? Do you want an all-natural face mask that whitens, brightens, and gives you that lit-from-within glow, all from ingredients in your kitchen? Well, today, I'm going to share with you my most loved DIY skin whitening and glowing face mask that removes dark spots, reduces pigmentation, and leaves your skin soft, smooth, and radiant. This face mask that's so powerful, so effective, it will genuinely transform your complexion. This isn't just a mask. It's a meticulously crafted blend of natural ingredients designed to visibly whiten, intensely brighten, and leave your skin with an undeniable, healthy glow. And you'll see a remarkable difference after just one application. Get ready to fall in love with your skin all over again. Let's create some magic. All right, let's dive straight into our first incredible ingredient, the foundation of our radiant mask. Besan, also widely known as gram flour. We're adding 2 to 3 spoons of this golden powder to our bowl. This is our base ingredient. Gram flour gently exfoliates dead skin, reduces tanning, and lightens blemishes. It's a traditional favorite for a reason. It acts as an incredible natural exfoliant, gently buffing away those dull dead skin cells that can obscure your natural radiance. This immediate removal reveals a fresher, brighter layer of skin underneath, promoting an overall brighter look. Moving on to our next glow-amplifying ingredient, 1 full spoon of plain unflavored yogurt. This creamy wonder is brimming with lactic acid, which is a natural alpha-hydroxy acid. It means gentle yet effective exfoliation, meticulously dissolving the bonds between dead skin cells, revealing a fresher, more luminous layer beneath. This process significantly contributes to overall skin brightening and an even tone. Beyond its exfoliating prowess, yogurt provides fantastic hydration, deeply moisturizing your skin and leaving it feeling incredibly soft, supple, and refreshed. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and skin lightening properties. Just a little goes a long way in reducing spots and giving you a golden glow. But its biggest claim to fame in skincare is its ability to brighten your overall complexion and actively help in fading stubborn dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It truly contributes to a radiant, even-toned, and naturally luminous appearance that will have people asking your secret. Let's introduce our next luxurious ingredient, 1 generous spoonful of pure honey. This magical ingredient hydrates, heals, and adds a dewy finish. Plus, it fights bacteria and acne naturally. Honey is a phenomenal natural humectant. This means it has an extraordinary ability to draw moisture from the air and bind it directly to your skin, providing intense, long-lasting hydration. Beyond its hydrating prowess, honey boasts impressive antibacterial properties, making it an excellent ally in the fight against breakouts and blemishes. It's also incredibly soothing and healing, helping to calm irritated skin and promote overall skin repair. Now, for a concentrated boost of pure skin health and protection, we're adding a few drops of vitamin E oil, or the entire contents of one vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E is a renowned and exceptionally potent antioxidant. This means it provides a crucial shield against environmental damage caused by things like pollution and UV rays, which are major contributors to premature aging and skin dullness. Vitamin E is an antioxidant powerhouse. It fades scars, improves skin elasticity, and slows down aging signs. Next up, a true unsung hero in the world of hydration. 1 spoonful of pure vegetable glycerin. Glycerin draws moisture into your skin and locks it in. It makes the face soft, smooth, and plump. Glycerin is a phenomenal humectant, even more powerful than some you might recognize. It actively draws moisture from the atmosphere and binds it into your skin, providing intense, long-lasting hydration that combats dryness and dullness. This deep moisturization results in skin that feels unbelievably soft, smooth, and supple to the touch. It's the perfect ingredient to give your skin that plump, hydrated, and truly radiant look. And finally, to complete our ultimate glowing mask, we're adding 1 spoonful of pure aloe vera gel. Aloe soothes the skin, reduces redness, and promotes an even skin tone. It also cools and hydrates deeply. It provides wonderful, lightweight hydration that never feels heavy or greasy, making it suitable for all skin types. More importantly, aloe vera possesses remarkable healing properties, helping to repair minor blemishes, reduce redness, and promote overall skin rejuvenation. It contributes significantly to a clear, fresh, and naturally bright complexion, leaving your skin feeling incredibly refreshed and looking vibrant. All right, all our incredible, skin-loving ingredients are now in the bowl. This is where the magic truly begins. Let's mix them thoroughly until we achieve a beautifully smooth, consistent paste. The texture should be rich but easy to spread. Look how beautiful and nourishing this mask looks already. Apply this mask evenly on clean skin, face and neck. Avoid the eye and mouth area. Leave it on for about 15-20 minutes or until it dries naturally. Then rinse off with lukewarm water, followed by a splash of cold water to tighten your pores. You can store this mask in the refrigerator for up to 3 days in an airtight container. Always use a clean spoon for each use. With regular use, just 2 to 3 times a week, you'll notice brighter skin tone, faded dark spots, and pigmentation, glowing, baby soft skin, reduced dullness and tan. It's like a salon facial at home, naturally, affordably, and effectively. I genuinely believe this mask is a game changer, and I cannot wait to hear how it transforms your skin. Come back and let me know in the comments below. Your success stories truly inspire me. If you love this video, if you're excited to try this mask, or if you just found it helpful, please give it a massive thumbs up right now. Don't forget to share it with all your friends and family who are yearning for that luminous glow. And most importantly, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more incredible skincare secrets, viral beauty hacks, and empowering self-care tips. Make sure to hit that notification bell too, so you're always the first to know when I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching, for being part of our beautiful community, and for trusting me with your glow-up journey. Stay absolutely radiant, inside and out. Bye for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.